Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick little unboxing. Received a package. This is from a Mark. Gonna open this up. What is inside? We have another transmission controller. And we have details. Hey. Don't want to focus. There we go. This is a Mitsubishi Pajero turbocharged transmission controller. I guess he was having issues. So it's generally this. So I will get this in the repair queue. Throw it in a bag because my repair queue is about 10 days, 12 days right now. Toss that in a bag. And I'll get that put in, I don't know if I got the number, but we'll get that put in the repair queue. Yeah, you're bin 13 out of 14. So I'm running a little bit behind, but thank you for sending this in. I'll get it repaired and backed out to you.